Good morning, everybody. This is Thursday morning. Welcome to the Weather Spot. We're looking at I-49 northbound at Missouri 7. I see some light rain. I see patchy fog all up and down I-49. I see some drizzle. I think this is just going to pick up into the morning. It gets heavier this afternoon. So good morning, everybody. Let's take a look around. Let's look outside first. Rain is on the way. This is right on time, if not just a little bit lagged behind what we've been predicting over the last couple days. So looking around, you have maybe an hour or so of dry time left this morning. I see rain now just coming to Miami, Joplin, just south of Pittsburgh, working its way up toward Fort Scott, Nevada. But most of us, East Central Kansas, West Central Missouri, looking dry right now for the next hour or so. Still patchy fog and drizzle. Here's the surface chart. This is for today. Just what we've been talking about the last couple days is that rain moves up directly from the south. Let me scoot this up to tonight because there's been just a little bit of a shift in the data starting yesterday afternoon and showing up more overnight. And so I think it shows up here. This is tonight. This is the surface chart when the cold core of this low pressure system moves over. And so the thunderstorm area has shifted more to the east, as you can see here, with a little patch up to the north and the west. And so the dry slot probably moves over a good chunk of west central Missouri, and that's going to affect our rain totals, which I'll show you in just a minute. So a little bit of a change that way. But let's go ahead and look over at the rest of the day. This is NAM forecast data moving through the rest of today, and I can show you what happens and why those totals are probably going to change the way they are. So here we are moving into this afternoon. This is 1 p.m., and I see, again, a shift, heavier rain, west central Missouri. So Butler, Nevada, Clinton starting to pick up showers at this time. But let's go ahead and move up through late afternoon. Here's 4 p.m., headed toward tonight's commute. We can see rain up and down I-49. We'll keep moving along. So here we are at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock tonight. So remember that surface chart I showed you just a second ago had heavier activity up along to the northwest and over here to the east. And I think that will verify because here we are moving at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Thunderstorm activity might just be west of Kansas City, moving toward 9, 10, and now up toward midnight. Looking toward 1 a.m., I think we are dry. And then here's the back edge of this wrapping around. This is 4 a.m., so not too many of us going to see this, but I think there is a chance for flurries. This looks to fade out still as it approaches state line here, as you can see, but can't rule out a few flurries might reach the surface because this is a cold rain, cold system, but not any accumulation expected, as you can continue to see. So this makes a change that I've been talking about probably in our predicted amounts. Here is predicted rain total. So you can see they follow that pattern that I was just showing you. So up to the north and west of Kansas City, I think that's over 2 inches. Yeah, 2 and 1/10. For us, though, here's where that dry slot, I think, scoots over. So we may still pick up just a half an inch or a little bit less around Bates County, Henry County, and south toward Vernon County. And then south of that, we pick back up to almost 1 inch. So good news is we do get some moisture. Climatologically speaking, we should be through our coldest point of the year. So look at these temps coming up. Look at the weekend. I have a Saturday high of 58. These are Butler temperatures. Sunday, 63. We cool back down to 54. Moving past Sunday, there's some divergence in the forecast, so there's not much confidence until we get some more data today and maybe tomorrow. But overall, above average temperatures look to prevail after this shot at moisture today. We'll keep an eye on it today. I'll let you know what's coming up. Thanks for joining me. It is Thursday. It is almost Friday. Every Friday is a good Friday. Have a good